Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the PlantIn app. And after it loads, we just tap on the X here. It opens up in My Plans. From here we have to go into More. And then in the top right corner, we have to tap on the cog icon, scroll down, and then tap on Delete Account. And here we have to tap on this, that I understand that deleting my account will remove all data associated with my account and it cannot be restored. And then we can continue by tapping on Delete Account. And yeah, if you no longer want to use the app's services. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.